Hey everyone out there. So today we're going to be doing a unboxing, but I decided to refilm things a little weird. So this is the makeup look I used with the unboxing, which you guessed it, that means I got an eyeshadow palette, which is pretty cool. Stay tuned to watch the unboxing. That's basically it, and I hope you like it. Yay, here
All right,
goes.
family.
So, as you know, we are going to be looking at the mystery box from Bakerie. I've saw so many videos so far where like either they got the wrong thing or whatever, which usually they email, and I didn't get an email, so I'm assuming I got what I'm supposed to get. I already opened the box, but I didn't look inside, as you can see. So cute. It says, "So much cake, so little time." But anyway, we're going to check to see. I also read that some of the people like watched some videos of these YouTubers who got stuff that they didn't want to use. So hopefully there's something I want to use. Hopefully there's like an eye thing, a face thing, and a lip thing. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lip thing, but hopefully it's something for your eyes as well, because I didn't see anybody getting eyeshadow palettes, so maybe I'll be lucky. Who knows? So, oh, that's cute. First thing inside this package is this cute little bag. Now I already watched videos and I'm not gonna be surprised, but this bag counts as one of the 6 items, I believe, that's supposed to be free, which I was hope it should not be included as that, but anyway. And also I'm gonna leave the retail prices over here. Yeah, somewhere. It's gonna pop up somewhere and I'll be like, this is how much this costs, because I'll do my research, and through editing, the magic of editing, I'll list how much this costs. But for right now, we're just gonna look at what's inside. Okay, so as you can see in the bag, it says, "I'm not a baker, but I just cake a lot." That's kind of cute. This bag is like a substantial bag. It's really cute. It's pink. It's pretty good size. It smells like a bag. All right, let's dig inside our mystery bag. More cute packaging paper. I'm so excited about this. Ah, okay. So, oh my god, is it? I think it is. Yay, I got an eyeshadow palette. It says breakfast in bed. It's a cute eyeshadow palette. I wonder what colors it is. I don't really use a lot of Beauty Bakery. I am a subscriber to their website because I ordered some stuff for my friend, and she was obsessed with the makeup, and I got it for her birthday, and I was like, well, let me just subscribe. But I've never really ordered anything for myself, so this is a great way for me to try things, this whole mystery bag. No mirror, which is fine, but these eyeshadows, though, it's cute. It's like very neutral tones, some shimmers, some mattes. It's very pretty. I'll play with this later. So, got an eyeshadow palette. Bonus for us, yes. Ooh. So next thing we have is the Better Not Bitter Flower Setting Powder. So I got a little setting powder, so a face product, yay. The color is cassava yellow. That's cute. So Asian, so I guess this will work for me. So, ooh, a Beauty Bakery Everyone's Ordering Sugar Lip Scrub. And there we go. And then the flavor is maple syrup. Can't wait to try that as well. And we got 2 lip products. The first one is a gloss, and the color is Jelliana. And the other one is a liquid metallic lipstick, which is when they're lips. And the color is Rose Pose. So we're gonna play with that. So I got a lipstick, a lip gloss, a lip scrub, a face powder, and an eyeshadow palette, which is basically a little bit of everything for each of my face. So something that I can try out. And I think this is a really good investment. So I will see you guys real soon. I will put some of this makeup on with the magic of YouTube, and we will see what look I can create with the products I just got. See you real soon. So this is the look. I was able to use every single thing in the palette. I used eyeshadows on my eyelid. I use a lip liner that's from Lady Gaga, but I wore the lip gloss. I did not use the metallic lip whip, which really sucks. But here, I can show you a little swatch of it. So you can see that right there. It's really nice metallic, but doesn't really go with the look I'm going for right now. So use the lip gloss. I use the cassava setting powder, which is really nice. It kind of helped, literally, as you can see, like brighten up my face, I guess you would say. So, and I used the lip scrub, which was amazing. It actually really got all the dead skin off my lips, and it's super hydrating. And I realized you can wear it as like a nighttime lip mask as well. So this is the look. It's pretty cool. I added up all the prices, and with everything together, the running price is $112 for all the products, which not including the price of the bag, whatever the price of that is. But so basically, it's well over $110 for all the items I got, and I only paid $50. Pretty good, pretty good. So that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching this review, and I hope you found this helpful. You know, like if you want, or you don't. I don't really care. Just appreciate that you guys are watching this video. So I hope it helps. Bye.